This is a conical. It is a bout, I guess you would call it nowadays a bout rustique. This has been in my personal collection for quite a long time at this point. I think the feet, so it sits nice and flat, are made out of jeweler's wax or model wax or something of that ilk. Certainly what they seem like. It's not carved out of the stone, it's wax. And it is tip-top quality material, the likes of which is not really, if I could ever focus this camera, it's very hard because it's so creamy, this surface. Top quality material. Top quality material. Anyway, let me try. There we go. Focus. The stone at its thickest point is roughly 19/32 of an inch, and at its thinnest, which is only here, as you can see, it's sort of thick all over, just this little spot, is 1/8 of an inch, and then it bulges out rapidly. That one little scallop there, I never bothered flattening it all the way to the edge because it would have been a waste of stone given where it was. Excuse the pencil on here. I outlined it so I could do like the police outline, so I could make a measurement chart for people. And it's just a gorgeous piece of stone. Measurements, it would be just to assume this orientation. It's in negative. In the middle, 2 15/16 of an inch at the widest. Then it sort of tapers down to 19/32 on one, 2 1/4 on the other, then 1 1/2, 1 5/8, and taper, 6 1/2 total length tip to tip. This might not stay up for long, but I have a personal policy sometimes when I buy something really splurgy for myself. I offer something that might cover it. Not because I'm hard up or anything for it, but just to move something nice along to someone else. Just beautiful. Anyway. So yeah. As you can see, this is, if it would ever focus, the good stuff. The really good stuff. Bout Rustique. For the waxen feet. Thank you.